I don't know if I'm ready or yet.
You're definitely ready.
Well, I guess Jack's been feeling pretty cocky with the MIG gun lately, so we're gonna see how everybody in the shop fares with a quick little beat off. So just for reference, any welds laid today like aren't strength related, they're just for looks. Obviously we prioritize strength of our welds over aesthetics, however we do pride ourselves in the quality of our welds and how they look. So just a little fun little show off today. Got an hour to kill after lunch, been waiting on some parts to come in, get everybody's orders out to them, and have a little fun before going on Christmas break.
But who's not here today?
Oh, Cam's not here, so
I think he might have won.
Pretty easy cleanup for me, but I guess we'll see.
How do you feel about Boss Man?
Stiffest competition here, but should still mop the floor with him.
Okay. Are we welding to something or just like a bead on the table?
Just a bead.
Okay.
Cut a couple of these Johns up. That's a little fillet weld for everybody.
Dilly,
what's up?
We're doing a shop weld off.
A weld off?
A weld off.
I don't want to be part of that.
No, everyone has to participate.
No.
Why, you think you're gonna lose?
Huh?
You think you're gonna lose?
Oh yeah, that's sucks.
Dylan, everyone is participating. Thank you.
I think podium will be me, B-Man, and Boss Man.
Okay.
In order, I don't know.
Who's taking the last place position?
I mean, Doug and Brandon have probably never welded before ever, but
right.
Ethan has a learning disability, so could go either way.
What's up, Jack?
What are you working on?
I just started working on it, but this is a Japan order going out to our friend Takashi at Side 2 Enterprise. Ordering a bunch of stuff, selling a bunch of stuff.
He doesn't even do anything. You put the camera on him when he starts touching it.
I just look.
Literally, right when he gets there, the camera comes out. What are you working on?
I've been building this all day, grinding away.
You know what?
All day.
Doug, how are your welding skills?
Probably zero. Yeah. Probably zero.
What are your predictions? Top 3.
Cam and Rain are not in the equation, right?
So Cam's not here today, so he's not, but Rain is.
Rain can't compete. He's been welding all day.
He's competing.
That works because if I beat Rain, that makes sense because I own the place. But if Rain beats me, I have the excuse of you've been welding all day. So I'm good. Either way, I win.
I got an excuse that I'm a shipper and I don't weld.
And you have one arm.
We came out with the tow arms for Corvettes, and they've been selling like hotcakes. Do people buy a lot of hotcakes? Hotcakes, they must sell a lot of them because it's a phrase, but we've been selling a lot. We shipped out 10 sets today, and these are just extras, to be honest with you. So it goes on the Corvette, uses this taper stud, connects to the subframe via threaded heim joint, rod end, and this is an adjustable length body, turnbuckle style. It's a great seller. I think we're selling them too cheap. That's the other problem. So we will up the price 7 days from when you see this video. It's gonna go up $5 every 7 days. Too bad prices couldn't be like stocks and crypto. We just changed the price. You either buy in today or lose tomorrow.
So we've got some scrap here. We cut out of some 1x1 by 125 mild steel angle. Cut them all at 4 inches long. So I guess we'll just, everybody runs a pass. I guess we'll just run a full bead 4 inches long, and then we'll take like a 2-inch section. The best 2-inch section wins.
Okay.
In the angle iron?
Yeah, in the angle iron.
it's already connected.
Yeah, it's just a fillet weld.
You don't get to brake test nothing. Oh.
It's just the
I thought the
bead.
point of a weld was to hold two pieces together.
Not our welds, they just gotta look good.
What do I know?
You can do whatever you want. You can clamp it to the table, you can run it in a fixture if you want. That's cheating, but you can do whatever you want.
It's a CWB certification.
Yeah, welding, mild steel angle with the mill scale on.
And what do you owe me if I beat you?
I'll buy you lunch.
I just bought his lunch.
That's fair.
He's already bought me lunch for the last one. It was totally different than this, but
It was a shipping company. You want to show them all the settings on the Lincoln? So I got him the old power MIG tuned up. We're running, what is that? Sweet spot on the run-in. 0 spot time, 0 burn back. That's for losers. Running about 250 inches a minute. She's bugging out right now. 16.8 volts. CO2 turned all the way up. Should be good to go. Not clean nozzle. Getting the jitters. We should also do a best helmet flick competition.
Why, you think you're good at it?
I think I hold my own. Anyway, let's get to it.
Pretty good, Wayne.
Too shabby for running on mill scale.
All right.
All right, who's up next?
B-Man, you're up.
Oh shit, let me get my gear.
So we'll do, it's a 4-inch weld. Best 2 inches of the weld counts.
Best 2 inches?
Yeah. You can weld it right to the table if you want. Might be a good call, might be a bad call. Yeah, got the jitters. Sounds good.
You glowing. Definitely got penetration. Where's
Ooh, okay.
It might be the call.
Getting my inner Cam. Cam, you're not here today, but this one's for you, buddy.
Running the Lincoln. Getting comfortable.
I'll do one button up.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, but what's the bead? What's the bead look like?
You know what? Started off strong. Got a little quick. First half of the weld though, I'll give you like, focus on that. Come on, there we go. Oh yeah, get in there. I'll give you like a solid 8 out of 10 for the first half. Ja.
Is that how it goes?
No. Oh yeah, check this John out. Ooh, fits under the table. All right, who's next? You can go weld aluminum if you want.
Do I have to put the mask down in the video or no?
What? You can't afford any more damage to your eyes, so I'd run. I thought he was gonna run the whole weld to the table.
Could you imagine? It was more of like dragging my arm across the table that was like, I didn't set up where you can actually drag. So it was more or less pushing.
Did you say the last time you welded?
What?
Maybe 2 years?
It wasn't good back then. So.
Hey Dilly, all I can say is I welded my seat brackets to my seat once, and it came apart. So
I'm not surprised.
Jack, you missed half of your.
So
No, I didn't, man. Let's say
4-inch weld, but we're only taking the best 2 inches. So Jack might podium.
If only girls did that.
Whoa, let's go.
Everyone talking to the table?
I'm sorry if they're a little clammy on that side.
That's okay. Jerked off before he put the bar. That we do in FDF.
And pick my nose.
Oh, I don't know how you do it in the summer, man. Like, I'm dying over at my mill, and you guys are literally in full
corner with no air circulation.
full sleeves.
Can't have a fan because your gas will get all screwed up.
Yeah, I don't.
Stick your tip, draw off your wires off. I think he's got it. If I have faith in anybody, it's different.
Don't. No, I don't weld very often. I can hardly see. Not great, but yeah. When it started, like, was I just coming too far away from it? Yeah, that's what I felt. And I quit it, started again, but yeah, better than expected.
Okay, Brandon,
What?
you're up.
I don't even know how to use a welder.
Well, you're gonna learn today.
Just hit the trigger and pull.
Look at Ethan could do it, so
Oh, if you could do that.
Whose does?
yours does, man.
Oh, I'm going in a video?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, my name is Brandon. I'm a co-op student here at FDF with, all these guys. And apparently I'm learning to weld today.
Let's go. Yeah.
How do I put this on? Just like normal helmet? What am I doing exactly? Am I like putting it to the
Just
table?
tack the 2 corners.
No, you're just filling the weld.
Should I hold it first?
Oh my! The man just stared at a weld for 15 seconds straight.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm a pro.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
That deserves a take.
Again, the start was good, like everyone else's.
Yeah.
I've never welded a day in my life. I've done some cutting, but that's about it. Yeah, what the
Me driving, thunderstorm,
This is fine.
sunglasses on.
How you feeling, Doug?
A little nervous.
And about a ½ inch between your nozzle and the weld. Stands there and watches me weld for 8 hours a day.
Let's go, Doug.
That's actually a big fire me up.
All right.
That's one on never welding before in his life.
He killed it.
Yeah, but I have steady hands, so.
Hey,
Hey.
watch your language. I think I beat Boss Man, and I think Boss Man beat Brendan.
Yeah, definitely.
But I think those are the
Little
top
prickly.
3. Like I predicted. Sorry, Jack, you were close.
No, nothing.
Can you state your name and occupation?
I had
I'm Emma. I'm an iron worker welder, stick welder.
Okay. So I'm as judging. We just basically want top 3. So start with 3 and go to first.
I'll give this one 3rd for the fact it has good wide penetration overall for strength. Give this one 2nd. Bit of a miss edge in the front, but overall, and this one's just overall.
Okay, so we need names. What was it?
So the first one was Brennan. Well, 3rd, sorry.
3rd was Brendan.
2nd is Josiah, and then 1st place is Rain.
I mean, it was to be expected.
I called it.
Doug or Ethan?
I didn't like the settings.
I was hoping to beat Josiah.
I didn't like the settings.
I was just
Yeah, that one was fresh.
Speed was cold, eh?
It's too cold.
Who's the
It's
worst?
too cold.
I know we're in Canada, but
I hate to say it,
Not
but
that
it was
cool.
Brandon.
I think the worst one would unfortunately be Dylan.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Really? Hey! Let's go.
The real win here was how good of a welder Doug is for literally never have welded.
I've never in my life, ever.
Honorable mention will be Doug for his first time ever welding.
I'll take it.
There we go.
The next morning.
Rain, is this allowed?
I guess so.
Next day, he did it on the day I wasn't here, so he would win.
It wasn't even my idea.
Yeah, it was. Whatever.
Here's your reference.
Mill scale doing something. That mill scale. You'll be doing something, though.
I'll have to send it to Emma. She's the official judge.
Or leave it in the comments. If you think
I would
Rain,
say leave it in the comments.
if you think Cam's it, where's Rain's?
Range is right there. Definitely a bit more definition on range. What setting did you use?
Everybody used 250 wire and 16/8 bolts.
Oh. Okay, well mine's significantly hotter than that.
That is correct. I was also the only one to push.
Just saying.
Everybody dragged.
You can only get so far away from the spectrum using the same welder. Mine was different settings, but same settings in theory. Like it's gonna look fairly close. But it is what it is. Let me know.